MIT research found that 95% of AI implementations fail, while only 5% deliver tangible enterprise value. Not because the technology doesn't work, but because organizations lack a structured approach. Hi, I'm Anna Tiomina, CFO, AI trainer, and advisor, helping finance teams adopt AI in an effective way. In AI implementation for finance, I'll show you how to bring discipline and clarity to AI adoption. You will learn how to use impact complexity metrics to classify and prioritize AI use cases. You will assess impact by looking at process frequency and potential financial savings. We will evaluate complexity by considering technology, security, and organizational readiness. And we will build ROI cases that balance costs against measurable enterprise-level benefits. We will also cover the financial aspects of AI adoption, from cost structures and deployment models to how value creation shows up on the bottom line. This course takes you inside CFO's decision-making lens: governance, compliance, and value creation. I'm your instructor, Anna Tiomina, and this is CPE Flow.